Yeah, and Maryland and D.C. both have laws that protect abortion rights, but D.C. is not a state. So what could overturning Roe v. Wade mean in the district? Evan Kosloff joins us now to verify. Hey, Ev.
Lorenzo, yeah, this is something that local leaders like Delegate Eleanor Holmes Norton are very worried about. She told our team yesterday that she believes if Roe is overturned, Congress could try to ban abortions in the district, assuming they had the votes to do so. So we set out to verify if that's possible.
We went to these three experts who say this is a complicated legal question. Generally speaking, Congress can pass federal legislation which would set policy in D.C. It's spelled out in the Home Rule Act of 1973.
Constitutionally, Congress controls all legislative authority within the district. So it's this weird place of having its semi-independent citizens, while also Congress and members from Maine to Florida deciding a lot of what gets done.
But our experts agree this would not be an easy lift. To pass a bill, Congress would need 60 votes in the Senate to overpower a filibuster. Plus, our experts say an act to go as far as to ban abortion would face major legal challenges.
This court would be forced to deal with the discrepancy between what they are saying should be a states' rights issue as opposed to a federal issue, and then suddenly upholding any form of federal legislation.
An easier path for Congress would be to go through budget riders, which has been done before. Since they oversee the D.C. budget, they can restrict the amount of funds that would go to abortions in D.C.
The way that funding restrictions have worked to restrict women's access to reproductive care has been to prevent Medicaid funding from going to abortions.
Okay, so we could verify that generally the answer is yes, Congress can pass laws for the district, but whether there's the political will or the legal precedent to ban abortion in D.C. remains a big question mark. Lorenzo?
Yeah, yet another reason why there's this big push for D.C. statehood. Evan, thank you.